Protective hairstyles are hairstyles that require little manipulation and protects the hair by keeping them tucked away and allows for hair to be moisturized. Common protective styles are twists, coils, flat twists, braids, and crochet styles, and bantu knots. Protective styling, a hairstyle that tucks the ends of your hair away from being exposed to damaging agents such as the sun, heat, and constant manipulation. Benefits of protective styling are to grow healthier, longer hair and reduce split ends and damage. Some examples are buns, braids, installs, wigs, and drawstring ponytails. Flexi rod versus twist out, section and parting. The size of the section determines the curl definition. Smaller sections will give a smaller, more defined twist or curl. Larger sections will give a looser curl pattern. Smaller partings will give your curls longevity. Larger sections will not last as long due to the curls being less defined. Tools you may need to complete the look: circular hair curlers, loop rods, bendable curlers traditionally made of foam that wrap around themselves to secure in position. Hair prep. Start by parting the hair in 4 sections. The hair needs to be wet and prepped with leave-in conditioner. Apply your styling foam and comb through each section with foam to make sure your tangles are out. Begin to wrap and twist the hair around each rod. Each section is about 1 to 2 inches. Make sure you're using tension. Tension will stretch the natural pattern to redefine the shape. When wrapping the hair around, it should sit on top of each other like swirls of an ice cream cone. Once the hair is wrapped around, lock the rod into place and put the client under the dryer until the hair is no longer wet. Flat twist is a technique where the hair is twisted using 2 subsections to overlap each other on the scalp in a cornrow fashion. A twist out is a styling technique in which each subsection of hair is sectioned into 2 or 3 even pieces and the hair is twisted around each other. Continue this process until all the hair is twisted, resembling single braids. The set will enhance, elongate, and define a client's hair. The hair can be set wet and worn in. It is common that this style is often set wet, dried over a period of time, then untwisted and worn out. The twist out will follow the same steps for prep and sectioning as the Flexi rod set. When creating your twist out, you are to wrap and twist the hair with 2 strands, one hand over the other, with tension until you reach the end of the strand. You can add a perm rod at the end of the twist or coil it. To take down, you want to separate the curls with a little oil on the hand to keep each curl smooth and give shine. Then use a pick at the roots to give lift and bring the hard curl lines together. To keep up with these looks, you would want to use a method called a pineapple wrap. A pineapple wrap is a hairstyle achieved by gathering all the client's hair into a high ponytail. Natural hair in this style resembles a pineapple. This is used to maintain curl style. Use a satin scarf in a triangular shape. Pull flip hair to the top of the head, then place scarf straight edge at the base of the hairline. Tie scarf at the front of the head. Another method of upkeep is a wrap and a doobie. These methods are used to maintain silk presses and blowout style. The hair is brushed, wrapped around the head, and held in place while placing a satin scarf around the hair to keep in place overnight. A maintenance hairstyle used on clients with naturally textured hair who mechanically or chemically straighten hair. This involves wrapping sections around the head and keeping the section straight and taut to prep the hair for sleeping. In order to prolong a straight hairstyle, use the head as a roller to preserve the bend and shape of the hair. Designed to be wrapped with a large roller in the center and with the hair wrapped around. Tools used for maintenance: a headscarf, a turban, or a silk and satin scarf. Silk or satin bonnet, a head wrap can be used for style, protection, and decorative purposes. A wave cap, a tight-fitting cap to encourage and protect the natural wave or pattern on short hair. A bonnet is a cap used to protect curly and coily hair overnight.